Effectively invest your money in the market. The stock market isn't the easiest place to invest. If you want to invest but don't know as much as you need to about the stock market, these tips will get you started. If you check out the tips and tricks found in this video, you can improve your fund of stock market knowledge and improve your odds of investing successfully. Keep in mind that the value of a stock involves much more than simply its price. When deciding whether or not to invest in a particular stock, there are several other factors to consider that are more important. The price of a stock should be only one small part of the decision. Before delving into the stock market, you should have a basic knowledge about stocks. Stocks, which are also called shares, are segments of a company which people may purchase. So when you own a company's stock, you actually own a piece of the company. When it comes to shares, there are two different types, common shares and preferred shares. In terms of investments, common shares are the riskiest. Adjust your margin of safety based on the reputation, profitability, and size of a particular company. While businesses like Google or Johnson & Johnson are hardy and tend to stick around, there are certain companies that may do very well for a while before crashing. Keep this in mind when selecting stocks. If you want to invest but are unsure of what to buy, use a full-service broker. These firms have staff with expertise in the field and highly current knowledge of the markets. While these brokers charge the most, their advice and recommended picks are usually pretty safe bets. Many individuals working at these brokers are they themselves making a lot of money in the stock market and can make you some too, for a fee. Give short selling a try. Loaning stock shares are involved in this. When an investor does this, they borrow a certain amount yet agree to also deliver that same amount of those particular shares, just at another later date. The investor will resell the shares at a later time once the price in the stock falls. The knowledge you have just acquired can only be used to your benefit when you apply them and take risks. You will need to take a chance and try your best to invest your money wisely. The truth is, you're going to learn the most about how to be successful through experience, so the sooner you start, the sooner you should see success. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.